So the new PUBG mobile update is finally here. I'm going to show you how I optimize my phone for it. First, make sure that your graphics are set to high in frame rate, to 90, then restart your game. Now let me take you through some settings on your phone that will help improve performance. Go into apps and search for PUBG. Make sure all these permissions are turned off. You can turn them back on if needed later. Then go ahead and clear cache data from this app. Next up, open Google Play Services. This might be a little different depending on your device. Scroll down until you find storage usage. Click on Manage Apps Data. And then click Clear Cache Data. Now go ahead and restart your phone. Next step is to clear cache data from this app, called XOS Phone. This might be different depending on your device as well. Go inside Settings and scroll down until you find About Phone or About Device. Click on Build Number 7 times. It will turn developer options on. Then open apps and search for XOS Phone. Scroll down until you find cache data. Click on Clear Cache Data. Then go into developer options again and scroll down until you see animation scale. Turn off all 3 of these settings. Now restart your phone one more time. After that, restart your game as well. Next step is to enable split screen mode. You might have this feature in different places, depending on your device. I usually use my calculator app here. It doesn't really matter what app you choose. Just make sure there are 2 apps open at once. Now let me show you how I optimize PUBG Mobile for split screen mode. First thing first, turn on high refresh rate. If you don't know where to do that, just watch the video till the end. Once you enter the game, click on the top right corner. Here you should be able to change graphics quality from HDR to Ultra. Make sure everything else stays the same. Now if you want to play in 90 FPS, you need to follow some steps. Go back to main menu and then start playing. Play around for about 1 minute. Don't move too much though. Just stay still like this. Then exit out of the game. Open your calculator app, or any other app from your recent list. Then reopen PUBG Mobile. The game should now run in 90 FPS. Let me show you how to get real HD resolution without using any mods. Start by exiting out of the game. When you load into the lobby, click on the top left corner. There you should be able to select between low, medium, high, and ultra graphic quality. Select whatever suits best for your device. As soon as you load into the game, don't touch anything except moving forward. Wait for about 1 minute before touching anything else. In the game after that, touch something random on the map like this, and then wait another minute. Doing so will trick the game into thinking that you have better hardware specs than you actually do. That means the game will render higher resolution textures, which look much better. To test whether this worked or not, go ahead and check your frame rate. Hopefully it has increased quite a bit. Alright guys, let's jump straight into gameplay. See how smooth the game runs. Now, it feels super buttery smooth. Even when running around, shooting enemies, etc. Everything just works perfectly fine. No lagging issues whatsoever. Also notice how clear the visuals look, compared to previous updates. They added new lighting effects which makes colors pop, even more vibrantly. Another great addition they made was adding support for higher resolutions via split screen mode. Previously, we had limited choices available, but now, thanks to this update, we can enjoy full potential of our device's display without needing additional software like emulators or modded versions. Overall performance seems improved across board, whether you're playing solo duo squads or participating in ranked matches. Hope this helps those who were struggling with lags, issues during their last few sessions. Thanks again everyone watching. Please leave feedback below if needed, so others benefit from hearing tips shared above.